Good day, everyone. I'm Binaksal Zesran from BPE 1-1. Today we will discuss the first aid for musculoskeletal issues or injuries. But before we start the discussion, here are the key components that the student need to acquire. First, it focuses on the skill development aspect of first aid training. It goes beyond just knowing the step. It aims the competency in performing them correctly and efficiently. The second one emphasizes critical thinking and decision-making skills. It's about more than just knowing the techniques. It's about knowing when to use them. Last but not the least, objective addresses the psychological aspect of first aid. It's about developing the self-assurance and readiness to act effectively in stressful situations. Do not forget the word RISE. RISE stands for R for rest, I for ice, C for compression, E for elevation. So now, let's talk about muscle cramps. What we can do if we have muscle cramps? We should gently stretch the cramp muscle, applying gentle pressure to the area. Massage the muscle to help it relax. If possible, elevate the affected limb. Drink plenty of fluids, especially water, to replace electrolytes lost through sweating. Next is sprains. What we can do when we have sprains. So, remember what I said earlier? Use RISE method. First are, avoid putting weight on the injured joint. I, applying ice for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, several times a day. Compression, use a bandage to compress the area, reducing swelling. E, for keep the injured limb elevated above the heart. Next is strain. Strain are similar to sprain. Follow the RISE method. Rest the injured muscle, apply ice, and use compression to reduce swelling. Elevate the affected limb if possible. Next is dislocation. What we can do if we encounter dislocation. Do not attempt to reposition the dislocated joint. Immobilize the joint to the position found to seek immediate medical attention. Support the injured area with a sling or splint. Next is fractures. What we can do if we can encounter fractures. Immobilize the broken bone in the position found. Apply a splint or sling to support the injured area. Control blending if there is an open fracture. Seek immediate medical attention. These are the example of musculoskeletal issues or injuries. Here is the summary of the first aid for common musculoskeletal injuries. Muscle cramps, strength and gentle massage the affected muscle. Next, sprain and strains. Use the RISE method. Rest, avoid using the injured area. Ice, apply ice for 15 to 20 minutes to reduce swelling. Compression, use a bandage to compress the area without restricting blood flow. Elevation, keep the injured area elevated above the heart. Do not forget, always consult a medical professional for severe injuries. I hope you learned a lot. You can go to my website and you can answer the activities that I provided about the first aid muscular skeletal issues and injury. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone. See you next time.